Why does your scanner show the P0963 engine code? What does it mean? P0963 is a diagnostic trouble code for pressure control solenoid A, control circuit high. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM or TCM has detected a voltage issue in the electrical circuit of the pressure control solenoid A. This solenoid is crucial for regulating hydraulic pressure within the transmission, which is essential for smooth shifting. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Pressure control solenoid issues, transmission fluid problems, transmission valve body issues, PCM or TCM problems, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Ford, Nissan, and Mercedes. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.